It is time. We are about to be heading out to Cannonball Harley-Davidson. They're having a bike night tonight, and my folks, Thumper Moto, who did the pipe for me, will be down there. I got invited down to hang out, so it's about a 3-hour ride. I'm going to meet my buddy Dickie in Peru, which is about an hour and a half from where I'm at right now, and then we're going to kick it, ride down there, and have some fun. So in this video, you'll be seeing a lot of riding, hopefully a lot of cool motorcycles, and do some interviews with some people on their motorcycles too. So let's get the old Bellatrix out, hit the road, and have some fun. She was gonna go, but she doesn't love me anymore, I guess.
I love you, Mom.
I don't know. Well, it's a loner. I'm just a loner. It's okay. All right, we are hitting the road, and in this video, you guys are coming along for a ride through some of southern Indiana's most beautiful roads, including a pass through Turkey Run National Park, and trust me, the 360 footage doesn't do it justice, but it's close. We're gonna stop by Cannonball Harley-Davidson for one of their bike nights, check out some killer builds, and finally get to meet the team behind Thumper Moto, the legends behind the new parts of my bike. If you guys love riding, good bikes, and kind of vibes that make you want to hit the road yourself, you are in the right place. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and thanks for riding. I'm standing here and I was like, oh, I hear a bike. I'm like, it's Dickie. That was quick.
Wait, which one?
Yeah, don't put the black one in there.
Black one in?
Yeah, brother, I'm rolling coal in my Harley. Yeah, if it ain't diesel, he ain't riding a real motorcycle. I'm surprised I haven't heard that one yet on the comments. Weirdos. I gotta take a tinkle.
Yeah, I'm gonna grab a water bottle.
Good idea, good idea. We're heading to Plainfield, to which dealership?
Indy West Side.
Indy West. We're gonna meet up with a couple guys. I think a couple. I don't know how many we're gonna actually show up.
Made it sound like a couple.
Yeah. I gotta clean my bugs off, dude. I got playing with bugs. Spit shine.
You got pack to and spit on that thing. You gotta give it a glug glug.
Ready to get on our steel horses, cowboy?
No, I'm gonna go home.
You can't go home. Just started.
I'm scared.
I'm scared of Okay. We'll see you on the road. Yeah. Oh. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do this. I'm gonna try. The ride in was a solid mix between back roads to warm up the soul and a few highways to shake off them cobwebs, you know what I mean? But the best part was riding with my buddy. There's something about rolling side by side with your guy, swapping jokes at red lights, and knowing that if something does go sideways, you're not out here alone. It takes a regular ride into something that actually you can remember. We weren't just chasing destinations, we're stacking the miles and having fun while we do it. Semi without the trailer on. Huh?
Somebody lost a bumper.
Yeah, seen that too. All right, we made it to Indy West.
Indy West.
My boy ain't here yet, so we're just waiting on him. We're gonna head into the dealership. I've never been in this one.
It's been a long time since I've been in this one.
They were quote competitors against us in Fort Wayne.
Sons of bitches.
Let's go in there, see what it's about. 9 There we go. Thanks, good sir. What's up, guys? You want a net?
I might get one. I'm really thinking it.
How much is this bike? 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 I'm gonna do what people used to do to me. Oh, I'm not planning on buying anything. I was just wondering.
Yeah.
That's too much money.
How much per month? Can I get this for like $150 a month?
Oh, easily. Maybe a PlayStation 2. Usually a bill, right? Oh, stored. What's that red line stuff here? There you go. There's a net. Dickie don't like wearing helmets.
No. Helmets for the devil.
I say, Dickie, gotta be safe, Dickie.
Mostly safe.
Mostly.
Mostly.
About 90%.
90-10.
Here's that 10%. He's
I don't
never
know.
off.
Some days it's flip-flops at 90.
Nothing wrong with that either. I'm the same way. Yeah. It's a dealership. Not many people with them. I want that purple listed in them. I want that in Rogue Glide though. Makes things between my legs.
See that
do things.
that purple Rogue Glide CVO, those McDaniels. That was hot.
Yes.
Hot.
Yeah. I'd take one.
That color looked really good in person.
What's that?
It's my shirt.
You better get a hold of Harley Motor Company and let them know. That's copyright.
Mine. That's
Your
copyright.
name's Dickie.
I'm Dickie.
What is going on in this world? Can you believe this? I need a bandana. Live to ride, ride to live. Ain't nothing but a steel pony between my legs, brother.
Buckle jeans.
Oh yeah. Yeah, that's true.
Buckle jeans.
Get a purple one? Oh, what about feathers? I got some Indian in
Nice.
yeah, like 12th generation. How far do you live from here?
I think it's only like 38 miles. Not too bad.
Bad?
A little 2 hours for me.
Yeah, same thing.
So you're from Rouge, where are you from?
South Bend.
Oh, South.
Yeah.
Oh,
This
you
is
met
Dickie.
through-
David.
Nice to meet you.
Hey, nice to meet you.
Yeah. You got any other folks with you? Just you?
No, my buddy, he's on the road. He's like, Dave, he goes, I can't run 100 mile an hour, so
Oh yeah.
we'll ride tomorrow. I was like, all right, let's go.
I'm gonna run an 80.
Yeah, not too bad.
80's nice.
Excuse me.
Alright, you good. On the lost footage.
No,
All the lost footage.
can't put it in dive mode. I was fucking with it, trying not to do a wheelie. Around the corner. I promise, Sam. Got the ride with a follower of mine today, David. He's a fellow Marine, and man, getting to share the road with guys like him is what it's all about. I'm seriously grateful for all the support from you guys watching, but being able to meet up, ride together, and share miles, that's next level. Thank you, and I hope I get to ride with some of you guys down the road. We're almost there. How many miles all together? I'm going 224. 224? That's from the gas station in South Bend.
What's up, man? How are you? F.
If you want, you can park with the cool kids down at Thumper Moto stand. Jared told me to tell you. Bike dirty. New road. Eden trailer. One on the other side of the Cannonball stand. There's 3 road lines out front. Ready?
Okay, man. Alright, I'm here with the Thumper Moto guys. Obviously, got their pipe on there. This is all their bikes. Drove that. Who wants to talk about their bikes? Anyone? Nobody wants to be on camera? Who's gonna be on camera? Anyone? Nobody likes being on camera. Baby. Pretty. I can edit it all. I can put like makeup on you if you need to look good.
Oh, fuck, please do. No. Please do.
I won't do that.
Red lipstick.
Oh, I gotta open that first.
There you go.
I've only had one.
Have one.
Yeah, have
Yeah, I seen the old boy fist bump you and lose it.
I got a guy here, don't want to be on camera, but he's gonna be on camera. This is Joe. Joe, what's happening? Who are you, man? What do you do?
Joe King, just a local welder.
Local welder.
Yeah.
He's my guy that reached out. We talked about for Thumper Moto with the pipe. This is his road glide he just got put together. This is one of their pipes, fully. I don't know, man. I dig it. I dig it. Where you guys out of?
Columbus, Indiana.
You heard them. We'll get you more info here about them here in a little bit. All right, Dickie, now we have a battery.
We are here with a battery.
We got a crunch can of Pabst. We're good to go. Yeah, we'll be back over here to show you around. This is my first time Cannonball. Dickie's been here a few times. What's up, dude? Nice to meet you. I got bear split all over my chesty now. You're good. Rockford's here, Cannonball Harley, some pew-pews. I like pew-pews. Did some pew-pew stuff that YouTube doesn't like, so we had to cut that part out. We got some goodies, fast foodies. Oh, no, you're good. All right, we're gonna go see my boy's bike. He's gonna throw it on the dyno. See what kind of numbers the Thumper pipe will actually run. You got some goodies on your bike too.
Screaming Eagle Stage 2, just 511 cam, a little bit of powder coating, keeping this one under warranty.
See guys, listen kids, keep a warranty. You can still get rowdy with a warranty, I promise. Alright. Oh, it feels good in here.
Yeah, there's nice.
Woo. Oh yeah, there it is. I don't know, man. I think it's cool, but I don't like I don't know. It's too much. I don't like the yellow. It reminds me of that breakout they did back in the day, the CVO. It's all chromed out. Yeah. I don't know. What's your guys' opinion on that new Fat Boy? Nah, not my jam. Ooh, colored things. Yeah. I love the red accents. And check that pipe. So this is the pipe I have, but polished it. That came out clean, buddy. Yeah, that's gonna look good. Yeah.
Just give me a scoop. I am 31.
Let's see if I can.
That pipe looks good.
It does. I like the dealership how it's like open. Pretty cool. Good, man. There's my purple bits denim RG3. I'd ride one. Put a turbo on it. Put some. Oh, you didn't need to do that, dude.
I appreciate you.
I appreciate you. Thank you, man. I appreciate it. I got another beer. Cool. Yeah, nothing wrong with that. They got dicks in here. Again?
It's copyright.
Copyright. His name's Dickie, guys. I'll talk to my people at the motor company. We'll handle that. Diction. I got a decent little motor clothes area in here. Cannonball Lounge. I like that color. Yeah. Hi. It's my first time at a dealership. I need to get a tour. I don't know where to go.
Our price is negotiable.
Yeah, price is negotiable. I've seen it online cheaper.
That includes tax, right?
Yeah, that. Dock fee? No, there's no such thing as a dock fee. Huh, that's cool. Want to be on TV?
Appreciate it, man. Thank you. What's your name? Justin. Yep. Nick. Nice to meet you. Your bike here? Yeah. Where you ride? Cool, hey, man. Cool. I'll catch up with you. Check it out. Some good airbrush work. That's cool. Oh, yeah. That's cool. Huh. I'm Justin. We're with Z-Tech Audio Plus. Big O Tires. Big O Tires. Mark Dominic. What do you guys do? We do anything audio, bike-wise. We work full custom audio, lighting, accessories, air ride, whatever you need. Hell yeah. Where you guys at? Terre Haute. Yep, right here. Yep. Oh yeah. Rockford, is that like your main thing for the bikes? They got it down, man. Power sports and bikes. Yeah. Sure. Yeah, they got good stuff. Hell yeah. You guys are out in Terre Haute area, so check out my guys here. Hi guys. Rubber band setting up. Coming around. We need something cold and wet. And wet the back throat. Is that what they call them? Snack. Liquid snacks. Dickie's over here breaking laws.
You know,
Check this trike out.
Plate stickers. They're suggestions.
They're suggestions. They're not nothing set in stone. Stuff's overrated anyways.
I mean, where is it a law?
Trump's our president. We don't need to put stickers on our plates.
I'm making America great again. Making motorcycles great again.
Yeah. Why not? This is cool. A Boulevard Speedball. I don't know what that is. Excuse me.
Boulevard.
Hey, whose bike's that?
I don't know.
Dickie's. That's Dickie's bike.
Dirty bike.
Yeah, I know. That means you rode it, right? That's
Right.
what I keep telling me. Anniversary. I can't drink it backwards like that. Ooh, that's pretty color. Talking to Sam.
What's up, girl?
Dickie said, "What's up, girl?" Hey, handsome.
Woo! Good.
So it's hard to be this handsome.
Hurts sometimes.
It hurts sometimes.
Nope.
Let's hit the road, brother. You ready to go, brother? I'm on my steel pony, brother.
Oh, I got it. Get the wife text. I just heard it.
Uh-oh. All right, guys. There's a bug on you. We're heading to go eat some grub because I am starving. I'm a starving Mervin. So, guys from Thumper Moto are cool as shit.
Yeah.
They're cool. Dickie's old ball and chain over there. Mine was just in my helmet, so it's cool. All right, guys, we're hitting the road.
was a good ride, dude. That was pretty.
You know, now that we're up here too, I'm like, fuck, I don't want to go 40 miles back the other direction to come back this way tomorrow.
Yeah.
I'd rather almost start going home.
Right. Yeah. Yeah.
That bike was a bike night.
Where are we at?
36 Saloon.
36 Saloon. This is a really cool place. The ride here was really cool too. That guy's been riding that bike for a long time.
Never ending corner.
Uh-huh. All right, so we were told to get hog turds. I was expecting more of a turd, but they look good.
Like a dinosaur egg.
Yeah, it's like what was it? Pepper jack meat brisket or something. I don't know. It's gonna be good.
Dough and queso.
Huh?
Dough and queso. Can't go wrong with that.
No, that's very good. I am stuffed, Dickie.
Oh, me too.
I got a hog turd in my hand here and take it home to the old lady. We were gonna stay the night, but we rode 40 minutes towards home. And there's really no reason to ride 40 minutes back, go to sleep, wake up, and then ride. Yeah, so we're gonna haul, get on the bikes, and head home. Yep. Surprise the ladies. My wife's probably not gonna be happy. She's like, I wanted a weekend by myself. You're not getting one, babe. I'll see you soon. There's something about the ride home after a solid day on two wheels. We hit some incredible back roads, leaving Cannonball Harley. The route took us right through Turkey Run National Park, twists, turns, tree tunnels that made it feel like we were riding through a postcard. If you've never taken your bike through southern Indiana, you are missing out. This is what it's all about. Good roads, good views, and even better company. As the sun started to set, me and my buddy Dickie hit that point where we had to split off. The sunset hits different though. Like, you know, those moments you don't even plan, but you do feel it. I'm grateful for days like this. Good miles, good people, and the chance to ride with someone who gets it. And to everyone watching, thank you for being part of this. Your support means more than you know. Now let's throw some miles down and get home. I gotta turn my license plate light on. I forgot. It's getting dark. Oh. Don't hit. Woo, 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 woo. Get home, we're like an about home. That was really good. That was fun. We weren't planning on riding back tonight, but we rode almost an hour to a restaurant that was closer to home, so why ride back, go to sleep, and wake up and come back. So yeah, we're about home. We're gonna park this baby, and I get to sleep in my bed tonight with the old lady. Turn this light on so you guys can actually see me. Well, thanks for hanging out. If you're still watching, I appreciate it, and make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. There's a lot more of these rides coming, and yeah, it's gonna be a good time. So yeah, I'm gonna go inside and lay in my own bed tonight. Pretty cool. Nah. I need a new helmet. This helmet's too big for me now. All right, guys, take it easy.